guys, welcome back to this channel. In this channel I'll be dropping a video on how you can claim a 5,000 free profile account that you can use to start trading with without having to make any deposit of your own, without having to make any payments. This account is definitely for free. As you can see, this is my telegram channel here, and as you can see right here, I drop videos on how you can make money online in 2025. I've been dropping series of videos. As you can see, there are a lot of bonuses and free funded account that I've dropped on this channel on how you can make money and how you can get capital to start trading without having to deposit any amount of your own. So to join this particular channel, all you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of this video to bring you right here. Click on join and you'll be able to join this channel. It is very important to join this channel because on this channel I drop updates. As you can see, I give them updates. They are the first set of people to know that I have videos for them even before I bring them to YouTube. And also I drop more information regarding a bonus or a free funded account that they can use to start trading right here. So please, to join this Telegram channel, click on the description that is in the description of this video. The link, it will bring you directly to this place and you can click on join. And also we have a discussion group where we discuss about the bonus, and that's where I get to answer questions, as you can see. So to get the link of the discussion group, all you have to do is just click on the pinned post in this Telegram channel to take you right to the part where you have the screen. So this is a discussion group, and here we've been saying series of things regarding how you can make money online, regarding the bonus, regarding the free funded account. And also if you have any question, you can do well to ask on this group right here. So right here, to get the link to this 5,000 profile account, that to do, just click on a link like this. Once you get here, you'll be seeing a link like this right here. So you have to just click on the link, then it will take you to the website, take you to the platform where you are going to register an account with them. So before I continue right here, if you know this is the first time of you coming across this channel, please do well to like, share, comment and subscribe so you don't miss out on the videos and updates that I'll be dropping. It is very important you subscribe and you turn on your notification button, because when you subscribe, you get notified. YouTube notifies you when I drop new videos and you'll be able to claim the bonus faster, because there's some bonus or free profile account that don't last till 24 hours. Once I drop the video, I expect you to watch the video and immediately you get funded so you don't miss out on the bonus. So please do well to subscribe, and also subscribing and liking the video motivates me to create more videos for you. It shows that you all are following and you need more videos for me to make on how you can get funded. So please do well to like, share and comment, and also share the video to your friends and family, that will be of benefit to them so they can also make money too. So now let's go ahead and get the 5,000 free profile account, free funded account that we need to start trading with. Don't forget to get the link to the platform where you'll be getting the 5k free funded account. It's the description of this video. Click on it and it will bring you right to my Telegram channel where you can go ahead and get the link to directly take you to the platform. Here, because we are going to be opening an account with them, so I'm just going to put in your details right here, agree to their terms and condition, and after that you can click on register and go ahead and register an account with them. So this is me after I've put in all my details. As you can see right here, you have to click on send code. Right here, you have to click on send code. If you do not click on that send code, you will not be receiving a code that you'll be using to verify your email. So do well to click on the send code. Then after they send the code, go to your email, get the code and come back here and paste the code. And after that, you click on register so you can get started. With you have to do is just click on start right here. You're going to click on start right here, and as you can see showing on the screen, these are the list of the challenges that they have. This is the account. So to get the full picture of this part right here, all you have to do is just change this to desktop sites. You're going to change this to desktop sites to get the full image, the full picture of this particular page right here. So I'm just going to wait patiently for it to load. As you can see showing on the screen, this is what it looked like. As you can see, the funded account here is $5,000. The trading period is 30 days. The traded days must be 3 days. You must trade for 3 days. Then the maximum loss is 8% right here. The profit target is 3%. Then these are the terms and conditions you need to know concerning this particular account. So get this for you to get your profit, this is what you have to go through. This is the terms and conditions you have to follow for you to be able to make withdrawals from this particular account. So now, to go ahead and get this account, all you have to do next is click on start. As you can see right here, if you notice right here, as you can see, this is crypto or traditional market. So you can either choose your crypto or you can go ahead and choose traditional market, any of which one you want, as you can see right here. So after doing that, after choosing what you want, the next thing you want to go ahead is to click on start right here. So I'm going to click on start. And as you can see, you are selecting Forex challenge continue. So you are going to click on start here. That's you've selected the one you want. Then you go ahead and click on start. So as you can see, it's waiting pieces. Your account created successfully. So now the next thing you need to do is the next thing you need to know is how you are going to get started and how you can start trading with this account. As you can see shown on the screen, I've already been able to claim this 5k accounts right here. As you can see right here, it's already showing my total balance. So for you to start trading with this particular account, you are going to be trading this with your C Trader account. You're going to be trading this on CTrader app. So the next thing you want to do now is to download your CTrader, and they'll be sending you your login details that you'll be using your CTrader in your email. So you go to your email, get your login details, download the CTrader app, and you can get started with trading. So as you can see shown on the screen, this is the message I got from them, from the CTrader, as you can see. So this particular message is showing my email address and my CTrader ID, the one I need to use to log in for my CTrader. So this is the particular message you get, and this is what you'll be using to log into your CTrader to go ahead and start trading with. So now I'm going to download the CTrader and log in so you can know how you can get started with this particular account. So this is what it looks like. This is the CTrader app that we're going to download. So this is my Play Store right here, and if you're using iOS, you can go ahead and download this. So I'm just going to click on the store right here to install the app, and now we can get started in this app. So I've installed the app. I'm going to click on open right here. Click on open. While this is loading, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the update and videos that I drop. It is very important that you subscribe to this channel, and subscribing to this channel gives me more motivation to make videos for you. It shows that you all are following and you expect more videos from me. So please do well to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you. So now let's head into the app right here. So I'm just going to log in with my email and my password right here. Then you can go ahead and create the account. So this is what I noticed from creating the account. It's saying that the credentials are invalid, that the credentials have been in use. So I'm just going to click on reset password right here. Click on reset password so I can reset my password. So in case if you are having issues like this, please just reset your password and you can get started with. So this is me after I clicked on reset password. So I'm just going to click on this generate password right here. That's the link they sent to me. So I'm just going to click on it to reset my password. So after clicking on the generate password, this is what I got. So I'm just going to translate this page right here to English. Don't forget to do that. So this is it right here. I've translated this page to English. So I'm just going to create my password right here and click on reset password. So this is me right here. After I have reset my password, I was asked to log in with the new password. So I logged in with the new password, and this is what I have right here. So I don't know why I have this in other language. So I'm just going to try to change this language right here. I'm going to try to change the language. So in case if you have anything like this, you can just change the language right here. As you can see, I've been able to change the language here. So this is what it looks like. As you can see right here, as you can see, the balance is already here. That's the balance right there. So we can go ahead and start trading. These are the pairs right here. So you can click on this new order right here to start trading. And if you notice right here, we have here you can input your stop loss and your take profit. And here you have the limits, your stop and your stop limits there. You can just go ahead and pick whatever it is that you want. This is your limit. You can your buy or sell limit. You can go ahead and input whatever it is that you want. And also if you want to get your lot size, this is where you're going to get the lot size right here. So you're just going to click on it here and input whatever lot size you want to use to start trading with, as you can see right here. So that is all you need to know concerning this account, and I hope you all are able to get your account, and I hope you all are able to trade with this particular account. So please do well to share this video to your friends and family. It will be of benefit to them so that everybody can make money in this year 2025. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out, because I'll be dropping videos on how you can make money online in 2025, and also how you can get free funded account to start trading with. So please do well to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. See you in my next video. Thank you very much.